What up, YouTube? My name is Durban, aka welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, I've missed you so much. I've missed you so much. Life has been hectic, like crazy. I don't know how can I explain this, but today, guys, we're going to Durban, and I'm gonna let you know that what are we gonna be doing at Durban, guys. So for now, yes. Say welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. If you're a new subscriber, please thank you so much for subscribing. If you're watching this, you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Guys, see it do fun for a week. Can you imagine like going to Durban for a week, guys? Like, so already it's been a hectic month for me, like 2 months. Already it's been a hectic month, but I love it, I love it, I love it here. I love it here. Yeah, telling you guys that's the thing, guys. Like, today, guys, we're going to Durban right now. I'm trying to find something to eat and prepare for the day. I'm saying ready. Short and short so I want packaging those armies. Pakisha umthwalo vele wami imoto ifike ngilinde. So guys, please subscribe, press like button. It's gonna be nice here. Thank you. Okay guys, manje sisayisitolo lesikhona iclient elibalulekile esidinga before sihambe, and then masibuya-ke sizobe sipheka into zethu gone. So let's do it. Esikile esibani. Usebenza ugovernment imali uyenza late mzala.
Uyenza late kuphi? Ngalo uphuma nawo usawuqedela izindlu, ikweletu, imoto usawuqedela imali yokugcina uyithola imali kuphelile ngawo. Bele maklabishini futhi. 2 square 1.
Kangcono amakabisho waqala mzala.
Ngomndla wanhlabeshi usebenze wenze ibhizinisi eceleni. Business lakhe elivuthiwe.
Yebo nje manje sophande elokhuzana.
Package lapho.
Sophande eDurban. So babona eDurban umzala wami. So guys, right now we're getting ready to leave ne. Njengamanje ngizobe ngipheka my things. Angiyazi yaseThekwini njani, so I pack companies. I just like pack and like let's do it.
Changes in my life. I won't leave you behind. Changes in my life. You will see in time. Changes in my life.
So guys, we're ready to go. As I mentioned, in Dubai. This is me. So this is gonna be day one of Mpanda with Dubai. Let's do it.
Dubai. Stay tuned. Asisho ukuthi happy custom. Uyibonela nawe. Asisho lo. Happy custom mali. Yebo. Yako. Dubai, ngilitosa ngenyawo Dubai. Guys, right now this is Durban. Yeah, my cousin just went out to get some few things before we go to England. Yeah, and I think I'm gonna drop this vlog for today. Today, the topic vlog, and then for tomorrow, another day, I'm gonna drop another vlog, guys. I'm not gonna just wait and like wait for people to watch. I'm gonna drop my vlog, guys, the rest of the week, because I need to drop some vlog, guys, some content. So yeah, man, let's do it. Dubai anyway. Guys, bese ngiphelelwe izinto lezi. So we are here at Shoprite Monthly to get some few things like this. So I think I'm good now. Just like need to rest and see what the day tomorrow's day has. See. So guys, this is last for a while. This is Monthly. It's really a Monthly. It's a bit dark, but it's fine. So I think I'm gonna end this vlog here for today. Yeah, we will see. It starts being up for the rest of the week. So please subscribe, like, comment, and share, guys. Peace.